INDCO presents how to install a clamp mount mixer as demonstrated with a 55-gallon drum. To achieve good mixing, the propeller must be properly positioned. This can be achieved using simple hand tools. For optimal mixing, the propeller must be positioned to the right of the tank's centerline and positioned 1 to 2 impeller diameters from the bottom of the tank. Additionally, the mixing shaft should be angled outward at a 10 to 20 degree angle from the vertical. Now, let's see some mixing scenarios. First, the optimal mounting position. Set the impeller 1 to 2 impeller diameters off the bottom and offset the mixer to the right. Also, angle the mixer at 10 to 20 degrees. This results in good vertical motion, solid suspension, and good turbulent flow. Next, let's see some undesired mounting positions. First, we'll see a center-mounted vertical shaft with no offset or angle. The result is uneven solid suspension and excessive swirling. Now, let's see the mixing shaft offset and angled to the left. The result is even poorer solid suspension, as well as minimal turbulence.